NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 9. The point which divides the line segment joining the points 7, -6 and 3, 4 in the ratio 1:2 internally lies in the option A, first quadrant, option B, second quadrant, option C, third quadrant, or option D, fourth quadrant. Let us find the answer. The given points are x1, y1 is equal to 7, -6 and x2, y2 is equal to 3, 4. And the ratio m/n is equal to 1:2. That implies m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. Now let us write the section formula, where a point P x, y divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m/n is P of x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now let us substitute these values. x1, y1 7, -6, x2, y2 3, 4, m1, n2 in the formula. P of x, y is equal to m is 1 times x2 is 3 plus n is 2 times x1 is 7 by m is 1 plus n is 2, m is 1 times y2 is 4 plus n is 2 times y1 is -6 by m is 1 plus n is 2. 1 times 3, 3 plus 2 times 7, 14. 3 plus 14 is 17. 17 by 3, 4 minus 12 is -8 by 3. Now let us observe the sign of these coordinates. Positive, negative. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. Now let us see where this point is seen on the graph. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, then we have negative x-axis and negative y-axis. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Therefore, the point lies in this quadrant. Let us name the quadrants. The first quadrant Q1, where x and y are positive, then Q2, where x is negative and y is positive, and Q3, where both x and y are negative, and Q4, quadrant 4, in which x is positive and y is negative. Therefore, from the given options, option B, fourth quadrant, is the right answer.